ZANU PF supporters lied their way into asylum abroad. The 18th of August 2025. By correspondent, did you know that almost every ZANU PF supporter who left Zimbabwe for countries such as the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and the United States as an economic refugee did so by lying about their political identity? When applying for asylum, they reportedly disguised themselves as members or sympathizers of opposition parties such as MDC, ZAPU, or CCC, claiming they were victims of ZANU PF persecution. Ironically, these were the very same people who once harassed, tortured, or even killed genuine supporters of those opposition parties back home. If you doubt this, ask the authorities in those countries who processed the asylum papers. Records will show the story of how a ruling party supporter became an opposition victim overnight, simply to escape the economic ruin created by the very party they defended for years. This disturbing reality raises the question, are ZANU PF supporters normal people? Or is the movement itself responsible for warping the moral compass of its followers to such an extent that deception becomes second nature? The truth is, ZANU PF destroyed the mindset of many Zimbabweans. Correcting this distortion, where victims become oppressors and oppressors pretend to be victims, will take years of national healing and honesty.